Welcome, I'm Laura, and this is the place to learn everything about real estate from buying a home, selling a home, what the real estate market is doing, property tours, living in Salt Lake City, and we cover more as well. Today we're talking about how often you should inspect your home. So we're just going to hop right into it. First, an annual inspection is a must for every homeowner. This detailed check helps identify potential issues early, and it can also prevent costly repairs down the road. During your annual inspection, make sure you check the roof, foundation, and HVAC system. Look for signs of wear and tear, such as cracked shingles, foundation cracks, or HVAC inefficiency. Consider hiring a professional for a thorough inspection. It's worth the money. In addition, do an annual check, perform seasonal inspections to address weather-related issues. In the spring and the fall, make sure you check your gutters, downspouts, and exterior drainage to ensure they're clear of debris and working properly. Inspect your outdoor faucets and irrigation systems for any leaks. This helps prevent water damage and ensures proper drainage. Monthly checks focus on specific areas that require frequent attention. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they're working correctly. Inspect your plumbing for leaks, including under the sink, around the toilets. And it's important to check your HVAC filters and replace them if needed every month, every 3 months. These monthly checks are quick but crucial for maintaining your home safety and efficiency. Another thing you need to do is inspect your home after a severe weather event, such as a storm, heavy rains, or high winds. Look for roof damage, broken windows, and flooding. Address any issues immediately to prevent further damage and ensure your home's safety. Consider professional inspections, especially when you buy a home. You need to look at specific areas of your home, such as the roof, foundation, and HVAC system. Professionals have the expertise to identify subtle issues that may go unnoticed to you. Schedule these inspections every few years or as needed based on the recommendations. If you're moving into a new home, conduct a thorough inspection, like I said before you sign those closing documents so you can address any of that. This includes checking the roof, foundation, electrical systems, plumbing, and HVAC systems. Address any issues promptly and use this as future baseline for future inspections. Consider a rolling in home maintenance warranty program, which provides scheduled inspections and maintenance service for key areas of your home. These plans can help you stay on top of maintenance tasks and ensure that your home remains in good condition. Another important thing is to keep detailed records of your inspections, including dates, areas inspected, and any issues found. These documentations help you track your home's condition over time and provides valuable information for future reference. For example, when you go to sell your home, you will be required to disclose key things about your house if there's an issue and what you've done to correct that, for example. And there you have it, a complete guide on how you should inspect your home. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insider real estate tips. And meanwhile, I'll see you on the next video.